Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS applied visual design tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn about complementary colors. Basically, in this description, the definition, how they define complementary colors is that these colors are opposite of each other in the color wheel. And you could see that, and when they're side by side, they have a contrast to each other, a strong visual contrast, which is a good tool to use when creating the design of your website, of your app. And when you use the hexadecimal system with colors, you can see how these are the opposite of each other because 0 is the lowest, 0 is the lowest, F is the highest, and these are the contrasting colors for each. So for this example, it wants us to change the background color property of the blue and yellow to their respective colors. Notice how the colors look different next to each other than they do compared against a white background. So for here, blue, we want to change it to blue. And now yellow. And we can see how it's a stronger contrast now. And that's it. Thank you.